How to fix YouTube and error occurred retry problem. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into Wi-Fi. You have to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. If not, try to forget the password and then rejoin it. If not, you can also turn on cellular data. Once done, now go back and head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. Search for YouTube and move into the app. Tap on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Once done, head over to App Store and in address bar, you need to search for YouTube. Tap on this app. Right here you can see the option of update. Simply click on update and try to update the application to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.